Twitter just announced monetization for creators, so I've created a ChatGPT prompt that will make you money making the best Twitter threads with just typing a topic or a title. So, in this video, I'll teach you how to use this prompt on ChatGPT and how you may profit from Twitter's new monetization fund. There are 2 additional tools that I will discuss later in this video to make it impossible for Twitter to recognize that your material was created using ChatGPT and to make it more interesting to users. So don't miss out on this video and subscribe for similar videos. So let's get started. If you're unfamiliar with ChatGPT, it's an artificial intelligence chatbot that has the answers to the most of your questions. It is quite simple to use. Simply go to the ChatGPT website, which I will leave in the description, and log in with your email address. You'll see a simple UI with a chat box where you can ask questions as soon as you join in. Moving on, it's time to give our ChatGPT superpowers. To do so, we'll need to install the AIPRM Chrome extension. The direct link is also in the description. When you first install AIPRM, reopen the GTP chat interface. As you can see, our chat interface has changed significantly. This tool allows you to use numerous useful ChatGPT prompts instead of writing them. Another reason to use it is that users occasionally discover a wonderful ChatGPT prompt and share it with the community via prompts. Now that you understand what ChatGPT is, let's take advantage of ChatGPT to generate some incredible Twitter threads. To begin using the Twitter thread prompt, we must navigate to the ChatGPT interface and search for this extra ChatGPT search box up here. Now type Twitter Threads tool into the search bar and check for the prompt below here. Now go to the ChatGPT main chat box down here as soon as you click on it. We'll see that the prompt has been turned on. All we need to do to create a complete coherent Twitter thread is to provide the prompt with a topic, title, or some content. As you can see, the prompt, it's generating a Twitter thread, and all it needed is a topic. Easy, right? Now let's copy and paste the text generated by ChatGPT into a thread format on Twitter. To do so, first paste the initial text into the box, then press this button and continue adding text until you reach the end. It is essential that you include some media in the opening text. This improves the lomativeness of your tweets. Use hashtags to help Twitter understand the type of material you're posting. When you are satisfied with the content you've created, it is time to share it. If you're still here, I'll show you the extra tools. Quillbot is a paraphrase tool that will become your best buddy when you post. This leads Google, YouTube, and Twitter to believe that your material was created by a user. Content at scale to ensure that your material is undetectable. This will double-check it before posting your tweet. Both tools are free to use, and you can find links to them in the video description. The key is persistence. The initial threats will not gain much momentum. However, if your content is interesting, you will quickly attract followers and move closer to that lucrative Twitter monetization. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in it, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot to me and helps me create even better content for you. Thank you, and until next time.